guys, welcome to my channel. So today the video is about how to go natural. This question, I get that a lot, and somebody asked me recently, that she wants to go natural and she doesn't know much about it. She doesn't know where to start, what kind of product to buy. So I know that it can be very frustrating because first you don't know what kind of product to buy and you don't know what to start. So I hope today I can show you or explain to you how to start to go natural, because let me tell you that going natural, it's like a part-time job. It's like a job. You need to put effort, you need to put time into it, because if you don't put time or effort, you're not gonna make it. You get to at the point where you like, you know what, I just gonna relax my hair and go back to relax my hair. So I hope you're gonna learn something today, and with that being said, let's jump to it. So you need to do, when I say that it's like a part-time job, because you have to do a lot of research, really you need to commit yourself 100% to go to be natural, because it's a journey and it's a long journey. So you cannot just start and you don't know what to do. So what I did at the beginning, I didn't know exactly how to start, where to start. So I had to call a few people that I knew were natural at the time, and I asked them, and you know what they told me? Ruth, it's not easy to go natural. So you have to be, first of all, you have to commit yourself. You have to give yourself 100% before you go natural, because otherwise you're not gonna make it. So what I did my research, but the research that I did, it wasn't enough. First of all, you need to stop relaxing your hair. Please don't do it. Just don't do it. I know you can be like, oh my god, relaxing my hair, it makes my hair softer, it helps my hair to comb, it helps me, it's easy to manage. But if you want to go natural, you need to stop. Don't do it. Do not do it. Just stop it. Stop it. Commit yourself 100% to go natural, because relaxer, it's gonna break your hair. Those chemicals is not good for your hair. So if you want to go natural, you want to have a beautiful hair, cut it out. You don't have to do that. So also, if you want to go natural, you need to stop the heat. Heat, it's not good for your hair. If you want to have like a nice curl hair, like beautiful hair, you need to cut heat, because heat is gonna damage your hair even more. Even though for now it's gonna look nice, your hair is gonna look easy to manage, but in the long run, heat is not good. So heat, relaxer, cut it out. So going natural, it's a big transition. So you have to buy new products, you have to do this, you have to do that. So most of your product that you have at home that you are using might not work in your hair anymore. So you need to do a lot of research. So what I did on my hair, I was buying all the natural product that I found at the store that I know it said natural. For natural hair, I just go and buy them and then start using them. And let me tell you that a lot of them didn't work on my hair. And what I did that because I didn't do research, I didn't know much about natural hair. So I waste a lot of time, and I wish that somebody told me this when I started, or I wish I did a lot of research before I started. But hey, that's why I'm here. I want to help you. You don't want to go to the path that I went through. So first you need to start, you need to buy a good product for your natural hair. Just go to the store, buy one natural hair that you like. You can do research first and see, go on YouTube, see the videos and see what kind of hair that people have. And with that also might help you, because you can see maybe, you have the same hair texture with that person that you're watching. And again, just because that product worked to that person might not necessarily work on your hair. So just try one product at a time. Do not just go and buy a bunch of products, because you're gonna end up not using it, and you're gonna waste you're gonna waste money for nothing. So just buy one product at a time. Try it for a long period of time. Try it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month to see if it's not working. Go to the next one till you find the right product for you. Really, this is what you need. Pay attention. You need shampoo, you need conditioner, you need deep conditioner, you need hair product, for example, cream or leave-in conditioner or oil. That's all you need to start your journey. They said you don't need a shampoo, you don't need to use shampoo, but let me tell you that you need to use shampoo once in a while, like surface shampoo once in a while, because you're putting a lot of product into your hair, and your hair, you need to wash your hair, you need to clean your hair, like all those buildup you need to come out, because otherwise your pore will be clogged and you're not gonna have a glow, you're not gonna see glow into your hair, and it's gonna be very frustrating. So yes, you do need a shampoo, but you don't need it as much. You can use it you can use it once in a while. Like for example, me, I use shampoo like when I really see that my hair needs shampoo. Most of the time I do co-washing with conditioner, and that's it. But I do use shampoo once in a while. Again, do not cut shampoo completely, because you're gonna see a big change into your hair. Your hair is not gonna grow longer anymore. Why? Because your pore is clogged. Like there's no, all those the buildup, all those products that you're using, it's still in your hair, even though you're doing co-washing. So yes, first you need to wash your hair with shampoo once in a while. And second, you need a conditioner. Every time you wash your hair with shampoo, you definitely need a conditioner, just to make sure that all the chemical that they use, all those products that they use on the shampoo, it's gone when you put conditioner into your hair. So you really clean to make sure that all the shampoo is gone. So yes, you do need a deep conditioner after you use a shampoo. So what I do, I usually use deep conditioner. Every time I wash my hair, I always deep conditioner my hair, because that's very, very important. It straightens your hair. It gives you, it's like a treatment. It boosts your hair. It gives your hair all the nutrient, everything that you need to your hair. So you do need a deep conditioner in every time you wash your hair. Please do deep conditioner, and then wash it keep it for 30 minutes or 45 minutes before you wash it off. And after you finish it, that's when you can use, for my hair for example, leave-in conditioner is the best for me. So when I put leave-in conditioner, I feel like I don't need to put oil anymore, or I don't need to put cream anymore. But yet I still do use hair cream or oil, just to lock all those products into my hair, to have enough moisture to my hair. Because leave-in conditioner, yes, is good for my hair, but I always feel like after like a couple hours my hair dries right away. So what I do, I add cream or oil, to lock my other moisture into my hair. So yes, that's all the stuff that you need to go natural. You don't have to go crazy. Again, pay attention what I said. You need shampoo, you need conditioner, you need deep conditioner, and you need leave-in conditioner or cream or oil. That's all you need to go natural. You can go at Walmart and buy all this stuff and start your journey right away. Trust me, you'll be very successful if you follow what I'm saying. Again, like I said, all this product might not work for you, but trying product to your hair, it will help you to know, okay, this product works for me and this product don't work for me. And that's how you're gonna learn, and that's how you're gonna know that, okay, I cannot use oil, for example, to my hair because it does this to my hair. I cannot use leave-in conditioner to my hair because it does this to my hair. So you have to try yourself. Even though when you watch video, you see, oh, this person's hair looks similar to my hair, or whatever product that person is using, it's gonna work on my hair, it might not be the same, because every person has a different hair texture. So again, try the product, it's best for you. But to start your journey, that's all the stuff that you need to start your journey, and you'll be very successful if you start with this product. And if you want to go natural and you see all these people on Instagram, on YouTube, chopping off their hair, and you don't want to do that, I just want to let you know that you have so many options, that you don't have to chop off your hair at the beginning. You can transition to your hair while you have your relaxer hair and you let your natural hair grow. So you can do that also. What I did on my journey was I didn't chop off my hair right away, which I regret, because that's the best time, to really know what type of hair you have and what kind of product that really works for your hair. Because when you transition, you have relaxer hair and you have your natural hair on the bottom, so you're really not sure which product works good for your natural hair. and you don't know which product to use, because now you have natural and you have relaxer. Like I said at the beginning, that the product that you have that you're using for relaxer hair might not work for your natural. So for me, it was kind of hard for me to transition. So I did the transition for 3 months, and for 6 months I think, and then I was like, I cannot take anymore, and then I cut it. But God, let me tell you that when I cut my hair off, that was the best time that I really experiment all this product to my hair, that I really enjoy my hair. And I really regret it, because if I knew before, I was just gonna go ahead and chop my hair. But again, that was my experience. It might not work for you. Maybe the transitioning might work for you. So I'm just giving you option that you don't have to chop off your hair at the beginning if you don't feel confident, or if you don't feel really, if you don't commit yourself really 100% on not to go natural. So you can transition where you have your natural hair and you have your natural on the bottom, and you let your perm growing at the same time. And again, it can be challenging, but yes, you can do it. So don't follow those people that are chopping off the hair just because they're doing it and you want to do it too. So you have option: either chop your hair at the beginning or transition. I was doing a lot of potato style. I'm able to do my own hair, to braid my own hair, so it was very easy for me to do that. So I was braiding my hair a lot and then just put a wig on. So you can buy a wig, not expensive wig, because you know that you're not gonna keep it for a long time. So you can buy a wig like for $50 or $100 if you want, and just do a potato style. You can go to any hair salon, have them braid your hair, and keep your hair like that for a good a week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or a month. Why not? And you just rock with the wig. There's so many different kind of wig that can that you might like. So that's also a best way to transition when you don't want to do a big chop. But I would personally suggest you to do the trim like once a month, so that way you can see that you're progressing and you're not gonna feel overwhelmed overall. So do it. If you want to do like an inch, girl, go for it. So because really you're not gonna keep those perm hair if you really commit, if you're 100% committed to go natural. So you're not gonna keep it. So for you to not feel like, oh my god, I'm cutting my hair all at once, so you have to do it like step by step, little by little. So I would suggest you to do it, even though people said to trim your hair you need 3 months or 6 months, or whenever you feel like that your hair needs to be trimmed. But me personally, I would suggest when you transition, is the best way to do it like once a month. So you're progressing little by little. One thing I noticed about people that are natural, or people that are going natural, they don't protect their hair at night at all, or during the day, or because protecting your hair at night is also very important, especially when you transition, or especially when you cut your hair. So putting a bonnet at night before you go to sleep, I know some people don't like that, but when you're transitional especially, you need bonnet at night. You need something to protect your hair at night. You cannot just sleep like that, because your hair is fragile. Remember, like I said, you have natural hairs coming, and you have your perm is right there. So perm is really fragile at that point, that you can break your hair easy. So to avoid all those breakage and stuff, make sure you protect your hair at night before you go to sleep, or buy like a certain pillowcase, like a certain pillowcase, you know what I'm talking about, and use it. Because even though you have your bonnet, sometime at night you might slip out, and then you might slip off, and then you still have your plan B right there, so you can sleep on your pillow knowing that your hair is not gonna break. So that's very important, very important, that you keep your hair tight at night before you go to sleep. Also, you need to stop manipulating your hair when you're transitioning, or when you're natural in general, because when you're doing a lot of manipulation, you're touching your hair all the time. Stop touching your hair, stop manipulating your hair. Like protective style when you're transitioning is the best, because you're not gonna have your hands on your hair all the time. So yeah, so do a lot of protective style and stop manipulating your hair. Leave your hair alone. Overall, natural hair is very fragile. You need to treat your hair like you treating a baby. Like baby is very fragile, right? You have to be very careful when you take care of the baby. Like when you do the same way you have to treat your natural hair. Your natural hair is very fragile. Your natural hair is very delicate. Your natural hair is something that you need to put yourself into your natural hair. It's like you in a relationship without even knowing it. So everything you do to your hair, don't comb your hair just like, you know, being rough to your hair. No, guys, be gentle to your hair, and you will see that you won't have any problem. Again, I'm gonna go over again one more time. So to start, you can even start right now as you watching this video. You need a shampoo, you need a deep conditioner, you need a conditioner, you need a leave-in conditioner as a moisturizer, you need a cream, hair cream, any hair cream as a moisturizer, and you also need an oil as a moisturizer. Remember, there's a lot of different oil, and each oil has a different role in your hair. So try all these products one by one, and you will know which product works best for you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that this video was very helpful for you. Please share this video to anybody you know that was trying to transition or was trying to go natural but don't know where to start. Share this video with friends and family, so whoever is in need of, you know, all this information can benefit from this information. And please don't forget to hit that red button to subscribe for more videos so you won't miss any videos that I post. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate it. Without you, I won't be here. You know, I love doing videos, and if you have any suggestion, you wanted me to do anything as far as how to go natural, or if you have any question, leave me all the questions down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye. I love you guys.